In a symbolic move, shareholders of AMC Theaters voted against the pay packages of company officials, including CEO Aron. The exhibition giant disclosed in a filing with the Securities and Exchange Commission on Friday. In a non-binding tally, 86,896,550 stockholders voted against the compensation paid to AMC's executive officers, while 52,148,743 voted in favor. In April, the theater chain disclosed that Aron was paid $18.9 million in 2021, down from $20.9 million in 2020 when theaters were mostly closed for months amid the pandemic. Among other top execs, CFO Sean Goodman made $4.7 million and Exec VP of Operations John D. McDonald took home $3.4 million in 2021. Since the vote is non-binding, there's no financial ramifications to the move by shareholders, but it's a signal to the theater chain's leadership that some investors weren't satisfied with the compensation structure. The votes were taken at AMC annual meeting June 16, with the results being disclosed Friday. Thanks to retail investor interest, AMC joined retailer GameStop as a meme stock in 2021, with its share price hitting a high of $59.26 on June 18 of last year. That helped prop up the exhibitor, the world's largest, which owns or operates 950 theaters and more than 10,000 screens globally. AMC then went on an acquisition spree, acquiring 4 former Pacific and ArcLight theaters and 7 theater locations from Bowtie Cinemas, among other deals. The theater chain branched out into the retail popcorn business, selling AMC Theaters Perfectly Popcorn in select mall locations, is developing a microwave popcorn brand, has branched out into NFT offerings and is in discussions about a co-branded credit card. And, in March, the chain went further afield from its cinema roots and picked up a $27.9 million stake in gold and silver mining company Hycroft Mining. Aron later said on an earnings call that investors should expect more Hycrofts ahead, as far as value-creating investments where AMC can continue to share our expertise and talents. AMC disclosed in May that it had shrunk its first quarter losses to $337.4 million, based on box office hits like Warner Bros.' The Batman, Paramount's Sonic the Hedgehog 2 and Sony/Marvel's Spider-Man: No Way Home. And Aron noted a rise in revenue per patron at its theater locations, touting on an earnings call that the figure was up 34% above pre-pandemic norms and meaningfully higher than was seen at our largest competitors. Following the domestic bows of Paramount's Top Gun, Maverick as well as Universal's Jurassic World Dominion, AMC noted on June 13 that box office returns from June 10 to 12 exceeded the same frame in pre-pandemic 2019 by 15%, ahead of the openings of Disney/Pixar's Lightyear and Warner's Elvis unspooling this month. Since January 3, the first day of trading in 2022, stock in the major theater chain has kept up its wild ride, but has ultimately fallen more than 50% this year, from $26.52 a share to $12.53 as of June 17.